All right, so here number 4, it gives you an equation. It tells you that the Richter scale is equal to the log of I over IO, where IO is the threshold quake, and I would be the intensity. And they tell you that you set up this seismograph when there was this event that happened, and you found out that you had an intensity of 989 times IO. And you want to determine was that an earthquake or was it just a truck rumbling by? All right, so what you have to do on this one here is, again, here I wrote down the information. But if you think about this equation a little bit differently, if you think about this as the log of I over IO, I think that kind of helps you a little bit because this is just division. So these are really the same thing. So they give you this information. They tell you that I is 989 IO. So if you plug that in, you've got I over, whoops, I'm sorry. This would be, well, type it in here, 989 IO, because that's I. So I'm just replacing I with the information they give you, and that's over IO. So you can see what happens here is these IOs cancel out. So what you really end up having is the log of 989. And once again, this is the common log. So you're just going to have to go to your calculator and type in the log of 989. And you see that it was about 3 on the Richter scale. Yeah, I guess we'd round that up to about 3.0 on the Richter scale. And so if it's 3.0 on the Richter scale, you can say, well, that was just a truck rumbling by.